Hey, guys.
Hey.
What's up?
You know, oh my God.
What happened to your teeth?
I whitened them.
They're really, really, really white.
Yeah, what was wrong with your old human teeth?
I did leave the gel on a little longer than it said to.
How much longer?
A day.
Plus, you know that tonight is your date with Hillary.
I know, that's why I did it. Come on, are they really that bad?
No, you'll be fine. Hillary's blind, right?
She will be after tonight.
And after that, what could I do except become a chef?
Mm-hmm.
And someday soon, I hope to open my own restaurant. You know, you're a really great listener. Most guys I go out with, they just talk and talk. After a while, it's just like, shut your mouth, you know? I've probably been talking too much. Why don't we talk about you a little bit? Come on, I want to know.
Okay. I'm from Long Island. I came to the city for college. I have a 5-year-old son, and in my spare time, I like to read spy novels. But let's talk more about you,
I've had a really good time tonight. You know, I rarely connect with someone this much on the first date.
Me neither. I've had a really good time, too, you know.
Are you gonna eat that bread?
Oh, I just like the smell.
You make me laugh. Would you like to move over to the couch? Maybe I'll just turn down the lights a little.
How about all the way?
Okay.
Wow, cool poster. So, where were we?
Are those your teeth?
Oh, you can see them, huh?
Yes, they're insanely white.
I did that for you.
What's the matter with you?
What's the matter with me? You've got a black light. It's 1999.